All right, we've got our loop. I think it's complete. Looking it over, making sure I got everything inside of there. Next step, you want to make sure you save your work because we're about to run this. And if something goes wacky, we don't want to ruin our data here. So make sure you do save your work. I'm going to move my window just out of the way here. Once it's saved, we can then run our procedure. All right, so I'm just going to go up to my Developer tab. I'll go into Macros. I'm going to find my Final Report Loop procedure. That's the one that contains everything. A call to your previously made procedures, the loop, the copy, the paste, everything is contained in there. All right, what would normally take you perhaps a large portion of your day to complete, we're going to do it all through one button press. And this is something that we can do each week as we get new data coming in. All right, take a look. I'm going to go ahead and hit run. And I'm done. I've got all of my worksheets, headers, calculation in there. There's my west, my north, my south, and my yearly report now contains all of the data. And you know what? Looking at it, there's probably one more thing that we should add in here. You can see that some of my columns aren't wide enough inside here. So I'm going to give you a line. I'm going to put this right below the loop. Right here. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to add one more line of code inside of here. I'm going to say columns dot, let's see, entire column dot auto fit. And you know what? I got to tell it specific columns. Which columns do we need that in? We need it C through F. So we're going to say columns C colon F. Close that. All right, so right here, right after the end of your loop, if you've already run it, that's okay. You can auto fit them yourself. The next time you use this for your next block of data, add this line of code inside of there, columns C through F, the entire column. That way we get the entire column C through F. Then we're going to do an auto fit. This will automatically adjust the column widths of C through F to fit the largest value inside that column. If I just run that single line, let's just copy that, open up my immediate window. I'll just paste that in there, get my windows side by side each other, just so you can see this. I got that in my immediate window. I don't want to rerun the entire procedure again because it's already done. So I paste that in my immediate window, I hit my enter key, and now my columns are auto fit. So something small, but it looks much more presentable for us. And there's all of my data inside of the yearly report worksheet. One button press and we're done. So make sure you try this out. Drop in that columns auto fit feature as well. And we've now completed our next project.